Welcome back. Taking a look at your Great Falls Canuck iCam, we're seeing some mostly clear skies this morning with those high temperatures today around 49 degrees, slightly below average for most of the region. And over in that Helena Opportunity Bank of Montana weather cam, we're also seeing some mostly clear skies with those highs around 47 degrees today. And taking a look at your Halloween headlines, those Halloween chills are on the way for most of the region, again with those temperatures slightly below average, mostly dry, cloudy, and chilly tonight for north central Montana. And upcoming precipitation chances will take place for next week right around Election Day. Now your highs today are going to be up into the 40s and the 50s with some increasing clouds, nice and cool. And then we'll start to see some chances of precipitation, especially for this Helena area through the afternoon and through the overnight hours. But if you are thinking about trick-or-treating tonight, perfect time to do it for north central Montana. Great Falls will see those temperatures right in the upper 30s and the 40s with some mostly cloudy skies, and even those winds are going to play nice. And over in Helena, very similar conditions with those temperatures in the 40s. We could see some chances of precipitation as well over in that Helena area, so you might need a coat, and especially if you are going to be around for your lows tonight that are down into the 20s, cloudy skies, nice and cold. And we're also going, again, to see those chances of precipitation. Why are we going to see these precipitation chances? It's all because of this nice Pacific system that's moving through. And look at this cloud cover that's over here in the Pacific. It's kind of swirling around. That's a great look at what that system is doing, pushing that precipitation over into the state. And you saw overnight that a lot of that snow is beginning to make its way over in the western portion of the state. Most of that snow is going to be up in the upper elevations and impacting southwestern Montana for the most part. If you are traveling over to that Bozeman Yellowstone area, you could expect some slippery road conditions. Just keep that in mind if you are traveling. But most of this precipitation is going to be on the lighter side, again, mostly affecting the upper elevations. But Great Falls and Helena and even along the Rocky Mountain front have some chances of seeing that precipitation in the form of light rain and even some snow for that Helena area, pushing over into possibly even Lewistown. But that'll quickly dry out tonight with some more of those scattered rain and snow showers for the western portion of the state. And then that cloud cover will increase again tomorrow, but we will see a little bit more of that sun tomorrow as well. And then taking a look at your wind gust tracker, 5 to 10 mile per hour winds are going to be expected this morning, up to 20 miles per hour for your wind gusts, dying down through the overnight hours and then popping up to possibly around 20 miles per hour again for Friday. This will also be taking place for Saturday as well, before we start to see another Pacific system making its way through that is stronger and faster, that will allow some of those lower elevations to see some more precipitation and snow chances. Taking a look at your Great Falls 7-day forecast, expect those high temperatures roughly in the 40s and the 50s throughout this week. We'll also see those low temperatures roughly in the 20s and the 30s too. Again, some more chances of that precipitation will hit the forecast next week, but you can expect a drier weekend for most of the area with those winds on the lighter side before we see them gusting up for Monday.